First, open OBS Settings. From the left menu, click Video. Now set your base canvas resolution to 1920 by 1080 or match it to your screen's resolution. Then, set the output scaled resolution to 1920 by 1080 as well. This makes sure your recordings come out in full 1080p. Next, if you see Downscale Filter, set it to Lanxos for the best sharpness. Then, set Common FPS Values to 60 FPS for smoother video. Click Apply, and now go to the Output tab. Change Output Mode to Advanced, then open the Recording tab. For recording format, using MP4 is usually the best option because it gives good quality and a reasonable file size. Next, scroll down to the encoder settings. If you see bitrate, here's the rule. Higher bitrate equals better quality, but larger file size. For most people, a bitrate around 10,000 is a solid starting point. If you want cleaner, sharper recordings, increase it to 16,000 or even 20,000. On some encoders, you might see CQ level instead of bitrate. In that case, lower number means higher quality. A CQ level around 18 works great for most recordings. Click Apply, then OK. And that's it. Your OBS recordings should now look much sharper and less blurry. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.